Hello everyone. So we have been looking into for loop. So in the last video we have seen this example. So we will move to the next video now. Next example now. So let's quickly do a small exercise. So let's forget about this high and all. So let's say somebody is coming and asking you, I want to print the numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, from 1 to 100. Can you do it for me? Can you do it? So if you have learned the last video properly, now you will understand how to do it. Okay, because you know how to print a variable here, varying value, because you can take advantage from I. So first you'll forget about this high. Okay, let me remove it because we don't need the high now, right? So user asks you to print 1 to 100. So now what is the value? How many times for loop is working? 10 times. What are the numbers I is going to have from 1 to 10? So simply we printed the I 1 to 10. Now the user is asking, give me 1 to 100. So what you can do? Initial I value is 1 and make sure the last I value is not 10 but 100. So 100 also should be printed. So we have an equal as well. So that at the 100th iteration, this equal will be true. That means I is equal to 100 will be true using this equal sign. You understand that I is less than equal to 100. That also work, but 101 will break the loop. You understand? Easy, right? So I will make it 100. Okay, so logically talking it should work. So let's see what happens. So I'll copy the code. I'll open my simulation environment. I will clear the old one and I will try to paste the code. Okay, I have pasted the code and I will do the start simulation. So let's see, numbers are being printed and it's going down and let's see where it ends. You see it ends in 100, right? So if I scroll it a little bit up, okay, and I can see the numbers start from 1 and went up to 100 and it ends in 100. 101 is not there. So you understand? So now you know two things. You know how the mainly first you know how the first for loop works, and now you know two things. What are the two things? Printing a fixed value like high using the for loop, and printing a varying value like I or something using the for loop. Okay, you got it? Okay, nice. So let me catch you up in the next video, guys, again.